What's up, everyone? It's Chow Mein Man here, and today we are doing another pack opening. Or is it a fidget spinner?
I thought
opening?
we were featuring this fidget spinner. That's the whole video, right?
It's old, David. It's old.
I know.
No one has one anymore,
just
right?
Look at it.
Then we got the Pokeball one.
Yep.
You can thank Yang, or my friend Yang, for getting it for him.
Oh, dang. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
but today we got another Volcanion. It doesn't fit on the screen, but Mythical Collection Box.
We didn't do the high setup. They've seen this. Strip it open. You guys want to open a pack?
And
Alright,
Steph is here with us.
Daniel, want to open a pack? Alright. Oh no, Magikarps.
It's called Magikarp Jump.
Where's the game?
It's called Feed My Magikarp.
We'll feature the promo cards again.
Oh, they see this.
Nice, beautiful promo cards.
I don't think any of
Jirachi.
these are like necessarily our favorite mythicals besides my Kelio.
And Keldeo. And then Darkrai is going to be a featured card in what's the new
There you
set called?
Burning Shadows.
Yeah, Burning Shadows. And then we have 5 packs.
Which one do you want, Seth?
Something that's easy to open.
It'll be probably Steam Siege or Breakthrough.
Okay. I'll just take this one because it's the oddball.
Alright.
Alright.
I guess Steph
Don't
can
worry.
start.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
I know. There's no space.
Sorry for the background noise. I
Jeez,
stepped
alright.
on something. And
Oh, shoot.
Doesn't matter.
oh
I'll
well,
show it.
there's a code. Yeah. Here's
So
a code.
let's see. Alright. So we have Stunfisk, Ursaring, Frogadier, Piplup, Hippopotas, Pansage, Ralts, Scatterbug, Elgium, and Simisear.
A monkey.
A monkey.
I don't think this was focused. Or I was holding it too close.
Don't worry about it.
It's okay. Now, which one do you want to open?
Pick
I guess
one.
they choose.
Steam cheese.
Yep.
Steam cheese.
And you
Alright.
said I say the names wrong.
Yeah, steam cheese.
Steam
Steam
cheese.
cheese.
Steamy cheese.
All right. Daniel's joining us today.
Yep. Daniel, David, brother. The white code.
We're not trying to go.
Yeah, we're not showing codes.
No.
We're gonna choose one
get
lucky
skin?
winner.
3 to the front. Or if you want to do 3 and 2. Wait.
What?
Did I miss
Evolutions?
Yeah. Apparently, a lot of packs in this box did that, where they put evolutions on commons
Alright,
and
just go,
Steam Siege. Just go.
Daniel.
Yeah, just go.
Porygon,
Evolutions?
Pokédex, Kakuna, Clauncher,
I'm not gonna say I see something, but
I see something.
Fletchling, C-Dot, Drifloon, Meryl, Sneasel, and
That's
Gardevoir.
Gardevoir!
Yes.
EX! Our first hit of this pack opening. Alright, David, I guess we'll leave Evolution for last, I guess. You can open the next
Ugh.
siege.
yeah, I'm going for the top.
What should be the question of the year?
I just saw it.
We don't know. Alright, we got a Seed Dot. We got Driftbloom, a Meryl, Shellos. We got a Mantine. I see something. Full heal.
What? Another evolution?
Okay, let's confirm these packs are messed up. Ocean. Got a Talisman Break.
Alright. And? Well, let's...
Mushroom.
Daniel liked that Pokemon.
Yes,
Yeah,
Daniel
you
actually
can
likes
take it.
mushrooms.
Alright, let's see if we get evolutions.
Those are yours.
Evolutions.
Those are yours.
Alright.
So far, this is a good box. You got 2 hits.
And no hit.
Well, I could get a break.
Well, We'll see. Energy, Voltorb, Charmander, Diglett, Ghastly, Nagamara. Ooh, we got a secret rare!
Secret rare!
Flying, surfing Pikachu.
Flying surfer.
Yes.
Something
Misty,
Pikachu.
a Weedle, and another Starmie. I have thousands of those.
Don't hurt the Talonflame.
Our last pack. Can we get something good? Can we open this one?
Struggle.
What the? Okay. Woo! Woo! Alright. Last
my
pack
God.
magic.
Wait,
Alright.
do the 3. Do the 3 and 2. Do the 3 and 2.
Alright.
Anything?
I'm not feeling it, so I'm gonna jump.
Oh,
Voltorb.
God. Oh my God!
Diglett.
I'm sorry. Hold on. But oh my
Caterpie. Poliwag.
God. Oh my God.
Nidorino.
Oh my God.
Devolution
Oh
Spray.
my God.
Rock Scrape.
It's another one, I think.
Maintenance. And what? We got another Mega Charizard EX. Where's your sleeve, David?
Alright, Elliot. 6 more of these on Amazon right now.
Wait, where's
Right
your
now.
sleeve? Where is it?
I don't have any more.
No! The one time we get it, or the second time we get it.
Oh my gosh. There's some here.
But yes.
Alright. I ordered 6 more of these.
Woo!
Right now.
It's in good condition. It's in perfect condition.
Put it in.
Alright.
Oils all over it.
Yeah.
It's
They don't count oils.
oily mint.
Woo! What a great box.
Order like 6 more of these, please.
What a great box.
Just order 6 more.
Just like 4 boxes, we got 2 Mega Charizards. Woo!
6 more. 8 more.
Woo.
10 more.
Alright.
Just buy them out. What the
Let
heck?
us review what we got today. Did we get any reverse rares?
I don't know. I'll check.
I don't think we did, huh?
Who cares?
But we got a Gardevoir EX that Daniel opened from Steam Siege. We got a Talonflame from Steam Siege that David opened, and
What the heck are? What are these boxes?
I don't even know.
You got a Slowbro. You got 2 Mega Charizards, and then what? Your
Blastoise
Your-
EX and Ninetales Hawk.
wait, not Slowbro. And you didn't get one of the boxes you opened wasn't very good. Huh?
Yeah.
Did you record that one?
Yep. Yeah, I recorded.
But what the heck? What the heck is doing this?
Alright, so I hope you guys liked this video. Please leave a like if you
What?
did. If you liked our second Mega Charizard EX.
What?
And David, think of a question of the day. Come on. We can't keep all these people waiting.
Hold on, I need to think.
Well, actually, I'll make it simple. Since David is using the fidget spinner, what is your favorite fidget spinner?
That's a really hard question. Let's just say, hey, do you have a fidget spinner?
Fine.
That's
Yeah.
a very simple question.
Do you have one? Yeah.
Alright,
And
guys.
We'll pick one lucky winner.
We're
to
gonna
win.
test the effect of a fidget spinner spinning dropped on a Charizard.
But yeah, we'll pick one lucky winner.
Why are
to
you
win
showing
some
these? Nobody cares. This is.
What? This came with the box. I had to
Fine.
flash it, right?
Fine.
Alright, Chow Mein Man is signing off with my friends.
David is stealing this Mega Charizard.
David, Steph,
David
Daniel.
is stealing this Talonflame.
Come on,
Rig.
say goodbye to the people.
Stephanie is stealing.
Bye.
Stephanie
Alright.
is stealing this Gardevoir.
Alright.
EX.
I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully it'll be better than this one. Goodbye.
Are you kidding?
Goodbye.
Are you
Goodbye.
kidding?
Goodbye. Goodbye.